Hey everybody, Stu here with Ukulele Zen. Quick lesson in the freezing cold. We're going to learn Folsom Prison Blues, the intro lick. I'm going to show you in the key of A and in the key of C. This lesson going out by special request to Mr. Todd Johnson, who requested this lick. At the very beginning of the song, you hear this lick. And then you're in the song. I hear the train a-comin'. Now, there's a whole video I made to teach you the song in the key of A. There's a link to it right here and in the description below. There's also a jam track that goes along with that whole lesson. So check out that video if you want to learn that. There's also a link in the description below to that super cool trucker strum. So check those links down below if you want to go deeper into the song Folsom Prison Blues. Let's break down that lick, what I played. Then I'm going to show it to you in the key of C, which is another key people play the song in. When playing Folsom Prison Blues, there are 3 chords. In the key of A, it's A, then D major, and then E major, although we often just play E7. The lick is going to outline the 5 chord. And what that means is that we're going to be picking around the shape of the E major chord. Now this is going to sound a little different if you're on a high G string ukulele. So what I'm doing is I'm starting on scale step 5 of the key of A. That's your E at the 4th fret. Play that note 3 times. Then right here the 4th fret, G sharp, back to the E, and now the B at the 4th fret, and then back down below. Now my fingers are really starting to get cold, so it's going to be a little tricky to do what I want to show you. But yeah, if you bend that note just a little bit, you can get some nice country blues feel. Join in with me, won't you? 1, 2, 3. And then you'd be in the tune. Nice little pizzazz sauce to put on the song to make it a little more authentic. Now, when you're playing this in the key of C, oh, and by the way, have you noticed how this ukulele, it might be going a little bit out of tune, but you can take the carbon fiber close out in the cold, out in the blazing heat. You can throw rocks at it. This thing is pretty much indestructible. There's a link down below if you want to check out the carbon fiber close ukulele. If you're playing in the key of C, your 3 chords are going to be I hear the train a-comin', C is rolling around the bend, and then you're going to play an F and then a G or G7. So now it's even easier to play in the key of C because the notes you're going to pick are right under your fingers, all right? You're going to pick the G chord, you're going to pick the 2nd string 3 times, then the 1st string twice, 2nd string once, and then the 3rd string once, and then go to the open C string and strum the chord. So here's what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3. And you can see I put a little taste by bending that note and then releasing. I also like to slide into the 2nd note, creates a little bluesy flair. Try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend. So there you have it, the introductory lick in the key of A. And in the key of G, key of C, you play over the G chord. 1, 2, 3. Check the links down below for the whole video of how to play it in the key of A. There's also a video for the trucker strum. Really cool strum. And I hope that you are doing wonderfully. If you want to, play this, I recommend doing it not in 20-degree weather. My fingers are really starting to freeze. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you dug it. And I hope that you'll subscribe to this channel for more videos each and every week from Ukulele Zen. Hope you and your family are doing well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.